rolling, rolling, rolling.
Rolling. Am I close enough to Lily? Am I close enough to Lily? Am I close enough to season?
It is the season.
To be jolly.
Yes. New Year's is just around the corner, so we decided to do a gorgeous holiday look by my most major friend, Carolina Gonzalez.
Yay!
Giving you glitter, glamour, and sparkle. Champagne. You could put a little emoji of me.
As always, I can't stress enough, prep is everything. We moisturize the skin really well with 111 Skin, and we also did a nice 111 Skin lip mask. Now we're gonna go in with some base, Giorgio Armani Luminous Silk.
What shade do you use?
Good question. I use 2 colors.
Oh, you do? She uses 2.
Of course. 6.5. It's just a dot of the 6.5 and 575.
I actually was going through my makeup the other day, and I used to always be so tan because we'd go on so many like swim trips together for shoots. Carolina has done my makeup so many times all over the world. Lots of Victoria's Secret swim trips together, and my color used to be 8. I found it. I tried to put it on. I was like, oh,
what the heck am I putting on my face?
I was like, and now it's 6 because I haven't been to the beach in far too long. Carolina would always give us the most beautiful, like glowy, pretty, healthy skin.
It was all about cream makeup, and more importantly, SPF.
Yes.
So I want to just spread this out evenly. I use a brush, but then I always go back with my finger and I just tap.
Yeah, I find if I use a brush to put on my foundation, I still have to tap around my nose, especially because it doesn't quite get into those creases. And we're all about the blend.
All about the blend. Always blend. Blending is the best tip anyone could ever give you.
Totally. As natural or as
heavy
as you want, and just blend it.
So with a sponge, I'm putting some base in the smaller areas. And we can't forget the neck.
It needs all the same love as the face, right? I always try to also moisturize my décolleté. Is that the right word?
Décolletage.
Is it décolletage?
Décolletage.
Décolleté, décolletage.
Tomato. Potato.
Girl.
So now I'm gonna go underneath the eye. Sales Stick Foundation. I'm gonna go for Sparkle.
We're sparkly.
Yeah, it's very on trend. So we do a little bit of concealer under the eye. My trick with the Laura Mercier cream blush, or any kind of peachy cream blush, cream is key, mixed with your concealer, just so you don't have those white eyes.
Right, to make it look more natural.
Yes, to tie it all in, put the blood back in there.
I mean, already.
Paying attention to those small areas where you have a little redness.
Yeah, I have a little breakout on my chin today, so we're gonna cover that with the, more yellow, right?
Absolutely. Woo! Yeah!
I see that. That was my timer alarm going off. She is a professional. Turn your phone off, people.
What a wonderful world. It is.
I heard a tip that you're supposed to set your alarm to motivational or nice music, or music that makes you happy, because then every time it goes off you're like
dreaming. Yeah, that's too jarring.
Yeah.
One of my favorite palettes is the Endless Orgasm palette by NARS, and it just has all these yummy luminizing pinky colors.
Gorgeous.
This is what I do. I take a sponge and I go through basically all the colors but the warmer colors. I do that. I do a sweep. And I do a lot of jumping around. Sometimes I'll do this, then I'll go into the contour, then I'll go into the lip, and then I'll go back into the cheek.
That's good though, because then you kind of see, it's like a painting.
Yeah, exactly. I paint this face in my canvas. Look at this canvas. Don't get us going. You just keep feeding off of each other there.
What are they talking about?
Then I'll go in with another illuminizer, but this illuminizer is my very own.
See Gonzalez Beauty up in the house.
That's right, girl. Coming to you soon.
Coming hot. Seen it here first.
I just love to work with whatever it is that you got and just bring it out.
Yes.
Accentuate it more.
Accentuate.
I can appreciate when people paint it all over
Me
again.
too. I wish somebody would. We should do that. I've always wanted somebody to do that to me.
Oh, let's do it.
Like the Kevin Aquan erase and reset.
Oh, let's do it.
I would love to do that.
We should do it becoming a Hollywood starlet, an old Hollywood starlet.
Would you guys like to see that?
Who should we do?
Let us know.
Yeah, let us know.
The full face.
The full Monty.
The Full Monty.
Do you ever watch Full Monty?
Yes, girl. It's hilarious. So good.
Hilarious. Did you ever see like the young ones?
No.
Oh my God, you gotta see the young ones.
What is it?
Young ones is like Full Monty, but like younger. It's like a punk rocker. There's 4 guys. A hippie, a punk rocker,
Cuter.
a straight edge. Like, oh, you got to see it. It's
amazing.
British. It's British.
Love the Brits. Oh my God, the Full Monty.
Full Monty.
Perfect holiday film for the whole thing.
No, wait. I'm thinking of something else. What's that show? Oh, it's not the Full Monty. It has John Cleese in it. It's British. I'm thinking. I got it confused.
Monty Python.
Monty Python.
Very different.
Completely different.
You were talking about the young ones. I was thinking the Full Monty.
He's like fun. A punk rocker hippie.
Love them.
Fuzzy.
Classics.
Contour. Whoo, that was fun. We're going with the Westman Atelier.
Oh,
Again,
love Westman Atelier.
I love
So
in
nice.
bisque. And again, around the hairline, blend it into the hairline. It has to disappear into nothingness.
Blend, 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 blend.
I love to do it with my sponges.
And what is your favorite sponge?
Mine is the Ulta Beauty Jumbo Wedge. It's disposable because
Yeah.
obviously,
You use for so many different girls.
yeah. My whole thing is that be bacteria free as possible.
Where do you like to contour?
From the ear right into your cheekbone, because I don't want to drag down the face either too, because
Yeah.
you don't want to go all the way down
Right.
underneath, because then it looks like you're, yeah.
Super cut.
And it also brings down your features. We want to keep the features up and chiseled.
Yes, we do. Up, up, up.
Up, everything up. Start with a lighter contour color, and then I go in deeper and deeper depending on how chiseled I want Lily to be. So we're
People
starting
always
with a
be
light.
like, we're gonna go natural, and I'll like look at Caroline, and I'm like,
Because there's a way to do natural, but still like beta vice.
beat the face naturally.
Naturally. Secret contour, secret
contour.
natural.
The queen of contour is in the house. But it's like a little thing that like models and makeup artists have together when the glam's being discussed and you hear natural. Everybody looks at each other.
Yeah, we just look at each other. And we're very subtle about it, but we just even we won't even look at each other. We
Totally.
telepathically talk to each other.
They're like natural, and we're like mid-beat.
So I go also underneath the chin, jawline. We just carve it out. So what's good about the wedges is that the wedge has straight edges. So I literally just press it on into the brow and around the tip, because if you don't do the tip, you just have something that looks like a really long nose. So I just dust the tip.
It's nice when you work with somebody like Carolina who really customizes everybody's.
Yeah,
looks.
so it's really important for me to like listen to what their requests are,
Yeah.
because you know your face better than I do. At the end of the day, you're the one that's behind the camera, and you have to feel good. So I'm going in here with a deeper color now. This is the Laura Mercier Contour to Go.
I am just not going to take this makeup off. I'm just going to lie like this for days.
Wax!
Don't touch me. Don't touch me.
And here we go.
So
Mama's
this-
secret contour.
Carolina's secret lip contour that girls everywhere want.
It's like the girls are like, okay, well, here it is. Let me film it.
Totally. She'll just make them look fuller and bigger
Naturally.
Also, stay tuned because soon we're going to do a video just about the secret contour, so you won't want to miss it.
Just shade right around the lip. Literally, you can just rock this and gloss. It still gives it that effect of being full.
Okay, so what do you like to use as like the lip contour?
Well, it's actually in the works for C. Gonzalez Beauty.
Yes.
Secret contour for now. In the other video about the contour, we'll get more specific about it.
The lip is fuller looking already.
Yeah.
It's major.
Absolutely.
I've done this and people are like, what did Lily do? Lily's done something to her lips for sure because they just look so much fuller.
Yeah.
And then like, you go home, wipe it off and you're like, "Meh."
Yeah. But it is like an answer to like fillers and things. You don't need to get
do
it.
that. And you can make them as like prominent or, more subtle if you want.
Absolutely. Absolutely. And at the end of the day, you can take it off.
Exactly. Full lips and sparkly eyes. Can't lose.
Let's hear it, gentlemen. Clear eyes, full hearts.
Let's go play some football. Let's go, baby.
They can't.
You can't
They
lose.
just cannot. So I go back with the NARS, the Endless Orgasm. Sometimes it gets too white around the lip. So I'll go in with one corner with a cream blush just to bring the blood back in there.
I don't ever like seeing where something ends and another thing begins. You know what I mean? It should all be blended.
Absolutely. So again, there we go. Blend, blend, blend.
The key word is blend.
Blend.
Blend, blend. Blend, 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 blend.
Always blend. Now just under the eyes, so it doesn't crease, I'm going in with the YSL setting powder. It's translucent, because sometimes blotting paper is not enough. We're gonna go with the brow using the Slim YSL, and we're just gonna fill in those spaces. So we have these beautiful colors. One is a friend of ours, Christy Coleman from Beauty Counter, and I'm loving these two shades up here for what we're gonna do.
Yeah.
And then this is from Pat McGrath.
Love Pat.
Mother Makeup. Mother Makeup, hello.
We love Pat.
And I'm going to go with this like pinky, sparkly, so I'm kind of like in this realm. So I'm gonna go in with my finger, swirl it around, and just put it right on the lids.
So what kind of makeup level would you consider this? Can anybody do this look?
Oh, absolutely. That's what I'm showing you how easy it is with your finger, just simply with your finger.
And I love the
and
touch
go
of
in
pink.
there.
It's not something I would have thought to put.
Yeah. Then we'll go in with a smudging brush, and I'm gonna go in with the more champagne color. And this is the Beauty Counter color. Ombre that into the Pat color.
She just did a whole Star Wars collection. Mothership.
You're so
Anything that
smart.
says Star Wars on it, and I'm like, send it to me.
I'm gonna place a little tissue.
Right, because you don't want glitter
Go for it
everywhere.
everywhere. And we're gonna even get more shimmery. This is another one, C. Gonzalez Beauty. That's just a prototype.
Can't show it.
Can't show it yet,
Oh my
but it
God,
will be out.
But it's so beautiful.
This is gonna be my universal glitter.
Beautiful. Beyond. Glowy, dreamy.
Ethereal.
Yes. New Year's Eve, New Year. More is more.
More is just more.
More. So I just want to show you this color on my hand because it's just so gorgeous. Exclusive C. Gonzalez Beauty. I just want to rub it all over my body.
You will curl the lashes. So curl the tip and then curl the base. That will give it more of a rounded curl instead of an L-shaped curl. And then to hold that curl, I do a light coat of waterproof mascara. You can layer it with any mascara. One of my new faves, Westman Atelier mascara.
I can't wait to try.
Oh my God, you gotta try, it's everything. Okay, look at this. Look at this, just,
It's beautiful.
just wait. I'm gonna ride till I can't no more.
We've had 2 #1 hit songs on this YouTube channel so far. It's gonna be a fortune, this video. We gotta stop singing. Lil Nas, I've got this favor to ask.
So we're using these lashes by Kiss, medium and small. Now, I'm a little short, so you have to you know, put your chin down and look down.
Felt like E.T. You know, like he's in the basket.
In the basket.
You know.
I'm just making them more feathery for this. Another thing, when you're putting on lashes and you see that they're kind of trying to curl before the glue dries, you just take the tip of your tweezer and you just smash it down. It'll make it fall back into a straight line. The lashes we're gonna let dry, and then we're gonna go back in there with some mascara. And what we're gonna do is a nice matte erased edge lip.
Right, so it doesn't have a defined line. It's
Right,
more like
no defined line. Yeah, it's modern. It's
I
more
agree.
modern.
It looks fresher. What kind of red do you like?
So one of my faves, YSL
Yeah.
number 23.
I think orangey red is like such a beautiful red. It's really fresh and young.
I start from the inner part of the lip. That's where I will have most of the color, and from there I will fan it out. I think it's key to have the contour around the lip to keep the fullness when you're doing this kind of red lip where the edges are buffed out.
Yeah, so then it'll give it some depth to
Yeah.
it already. It's so pretty.
Yay! I always want it really concentrated in that middle part. I'm taking a fuller brush. That's a smudger brush. It's usually meant for your eyes. And this is where I'm going to buff it out with. So I just pick up the lip. I get in there
Get it, girl.
Right now it's gonna look like it's painted on perfectly, but then we're gonna buff it out. It's already softer than the innermost part of the lip that we've already placed. And you see where it's starting to have that buffed edge. You can keep this matte like we're going to, or you can always add like gloss in the end.
I always find, especially if you're gonna wear this for like New Year's Eve or something, the gloss could get like after your champagne and your smooching. Yeah. You know,
it could be
a
hot
mess. So I feel like a matte lip is safer for like a holiday event.
For sure.
Especially if you plan on smooching somebody.
So I'm gonna take the rest, the excess, off on the back of my hand, and I'm gonna go over the edges again. I just find this way it's just easier instead of doing the whole perfect lip and then rubbing it with like a Q-tip or anything.
It's such a nice technique. I've never done this to myself with
Yeah,
the
you
brush,
should.
but now I will. It's so nice to keep it soft. Because I get so stressed out if I'm doing a red lip and then the line's not perfect. I just can't handle the not perfectness of it. It's hard to buff it in a, like such a natural way. That's really nice.
Yeah. The same way that you would like smoke an eye out with this brush, it's the same brush. Well, it gives it more of a fluffy buff.
Fluffy
'Cause sometimes,
buff.
like a fluffy buff.
All I want in my lip is a fluffy buff. Who knew?
Who knew?
My new favorite thing to say.
A fluffy buff. That Lily Aldridge.
I mean, honestly.
Ever a dull moment. This is also a great brush to have. And it's an angle brush. It's just for cream contour.
Yeah.
If you get too out of control and you get too out of the line and it gets too fluffy, you dip it in concealer and it just goes along the angle of your lip. And since it's a brush and it's looser hairs, it's still giving it that blended.
I think that is a really good tip that you just said about adding concealer after you do the lip a little bit to help keep those lines sharp and clean.
Yeah.
Even though this is a buff, but still you want to keep it clean.
You can still. Now we're gonna go back, remember, some mascara. So we're gorge and glowy. And we're gonna give you something here.
Yes. This Chanel gel is major.
This stuff is amazing.
Yes.
I mean, look at that.
Kira shoulder.
Oh, we're gonna cure the shoulder.
We're gonna be Kira. That's literally not gonna see me. You will not see me on New Year's Eve because I will be so sparkly, like a golden light.
The angels
An
will be
orb.
singing.
Literally, a golden orb.
And this one's gonna be jealous, so we gotta do
Totally.
this one too. This is after, this is before. This is so luminizing.
We're getting the powder.
Okay, we got it all. We got it all, but we don't have it all.
You can't do all of this gorgeousness and not smell good.
That's
My
right,
favorite
girl.
final touch of any beauty look. Tell me. She's deceased.
Yes, mama.
I hope you enjoyed our gorgeous holiday video. Thank you, Carolina, for being here.
Thanks for having me, girl.
If you do this tutorial, please tag me and Carolina on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below. Tell us what videos you want to see next. Happy holidays.
Happy holidays.
Let's go party.
Yes, Ma.
2020, here we come. Damn it. You can get a my socks can't make this video, this gorgeous look. You cannot see that I'm wearing black socks.